Hello everyone, I am welcoming you all once again to this channel. Now we will do another tutorial session on Inkscape. Here I will show you mainly how to make your figures ready for publication and all, like how we can apply Inkscape in our research. So this thing we will mainly do in this tutorial. Today's tutorial will be the first one and will be very basic one. Let's start with opening our Inkscape software. So if you have this already installed, you can you can open it, or you can try to install the same. It is very simple and it is free of it is free. Here this is our interface for the Inkscape software. So here what we are seeing, that this is our like document page, so where we can draw or we can paint something. So I'm zooming it, and you can zoom it simply by using Control plus. So this way, and these are the bars, we can take it up so that it can be visible, and this way you can adjust your page. So fine. Okay, now what we will see here today, so there are so many options. You can see so many options are available here, like around this page too much options are available. So here I am clicking on this one shape. So here we can draw any shape. So here I am drawing one shape, and the color it is filled with black. So we can change some color. Like if I will click on the fill, then we can change this color to red, some anything you can change. And here is also there is a stroke, which you can see that the stroke is unset. So if I will click on the stroke, here is the stroke one, then it will have some value, like it will come, it will visible to us also. Or also you can set your stroke style. So here you see that I have set the stroke style to dotted one, and this way you can increase the width. Now you see, no, it is not able to. Okay, we can increase this width. So if you will increase this width, you can see that now the stroke is appearing. That means the stroke is nothing but a kind of border around this figure, around this shape. So this way we can do our like picture, or we can arrange our figures or shapes like this. And there are so many options you can explore. I am just showing you. And next here, if after clicking on this, if we will click on this arrow, then what it will show, that it is showing that we can extend this shape towards any direction, this one or this, we can increase or decrease. And if we will click again, then you see there is some like other keys which are suggesting that we can rotate this shape. Now I am going to rotate. You see that with this I can rotate, and if I will again click on it, then it will become like this, and we can we can decrease the size, and we can do like this. And now I am rotating again. So this way we can do. If I will again click on this shape, you see that there are some other points, like here the circular point will help us to make this shape something different. Like you see, if I am changing this, you see the sharp edges are now coming to like a round type of shape. So this way we can arrange our shapes and figures. And if you want to draw a circle, you can click on this, then draw a circle. Yes, the circle is now drawn. And here is another one. We can change this we can change the fill pattern. So the color I am adjusting like this. So this way you can do, and this is very simple and very powerful tool for our research purpose. So in first video I will restrict myself up to this much, and in our upcoming videos we will see some more in this Inkscape. So thank you all, and bye bye.